Your fucking missus is nuts. My missus is nuts and all. She rings me at least 40 times a day. Serious.
I seen you last night, you were drinking in the pub. You were drinking with that bird you tried to chat up in the nightclub. Can't say her name, but she's got a gammy eye, and I feel an air of violence when I have to walk on by. You can't deny it, it's something you can't miss. That bird who's hanging out for you is mad like cat piss. Like bread and jam on a knife going with butter. Face it, son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Leave her alone, your missus is a nutter. I've never seen a woman make a fucking skinhead cry, and I've never seen a woman try to snap an arm with a thigh. Now I have, and it's just across the pub. And the worst thing is, she's taking you on for a rub. You don't deserve it, you know it's a fact, but mix it up with booze, you got a suicide pact. 2 tequilas and 4 vodka mules. She's a wrecking ball and a fist of her tools.
Binge drinking, try keeping up with your missus. What was I thinking? She looks like a priest, but it's a shock to see her wrestling 2 police with one in a headlock, fighting with bouncers and flashing her bits. After 2 flaming sambucas, she don't care who she is. Waking up on Sunday morning with bruises and cuts. Face it, son, your missus is nuts.
Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Leave her alone, your missus is a nutter.
Your missus was looking at my missus, so my missus backed at your missus. Your missus was looking at my missus, so my missus backed at your missus.
It was last week, what really got me thinking about how your missus goes nuts when we go drinking. Last week she ended up on a binge. She got off her tits and showed the bouncers a minge. And it's the threat of grievous bodily harm. She needs to keep calm and use her charm. I used to think it was funny, it made me laugh when she threw the ashtrays at the bar staff.
Stabbed a man with a comb just to get a drink. There's no logic, just stand there, drink, fight, drink, fight, drink. She grabs your throat and stares into your eyes. Have you ever seen a woman kill a man with her thighs?
Oh son, your missus is trouble. Every time you have a drink, she has a double. Is she on puggers? I think she's tripping. Stop looking at me, love, this is water what I'm sipping.
I seen her get on a mountain bike and she drove into Chipland and did them all in. Wicked. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Leave her alone, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Leave her alone, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter. Oh son, your missus is a nutter.
Pussy whip, pussy whip, pussy whip, pussy whip.
She's nuts, man. She's off her head, innit?
信じられねえ。ハイスクールの女学生にまで拉致られやがった。